Back at the Carpenter's Apprentice and Training Center, Craig explains the importance of an air and moisture barrier.
Now, Craig, is this a good example of the liquid applied moisture and air membrane?
Absolutely. Our liquid applied membrane here basically is an air and moisture barrier for our exterior portion of the building envelope. Here we have a couple penetrations that are protruding through the wall, and you can see here where it's basically a seamless penetration. It is a piece of metal coming through the wall. Air and moisture won't be able to get in here because of the liquid applied membrane that we're applying to our walls. So same thing with our corners. We're going to have a nice airtight, watertight corner where potentially we could have a leak if we had multiple seams, you know, in a different type of exterior membrane.
So this is just, you have a cutaway here, you're kind of showing you air seal up the
Correct.
joints. And
Correct. We have a cutaway here of basically our corner not being perfect and how we'd actually fix it. You know, we would do a little bit of spray foam, shave it nice and flush, and then apply our membrane so it's continuous and it's going to be nice and solid. So whatever exterior cladding we put on top of this, the exterior cladding, it really isn't the waterproofer, this is the waterproofer. So the cladding's for show, this is the bulk moisture barrier that's going to prevent that water from entering our building envelope.
great, and not where you have a seam either side too. That's
No
great.
seams, no seams. Over here we've got the window opening. Roughly the same thing, you know, with this manufacturer, they happen to have two-step process where they have one material here and then a little bit thicker for their window treatments. Again, it's preventing any moisture from getting into that opening that's going to be created because we punched a hole in it to install a window. So once we install the window, you know, we're going to have to flash the window as well, prevent any moisture from getting behind it.
Right.
Basically getting everything that does happen to get behind it, get it out of the building as fast as possible. Over here, there's an example of a window being installed with the use of building wrap, and with their building wrap, we had to use self-adhered flashings. As you can see, there's multiple pieces, and this takes special care to ensure that we're going to install the window properly,
Sure.
and then make sure that everything runs down, rather than coming down and a reverse lap where the water could get behind there and then back into the building. We want to make sure that everything gets down and out of the building. So we'd actually incorporate our windows with our flashings and then some other flashings above our head to prevent any moisture from getting behind it.